Hey guys, taking a break from the M3, been chipping away at it, have some content coming on it. It's just that I gotta do my real job as well. These are second gen IS250, IS350 door panels. They have the sticky dash issue where they crack from the sun. Texas has very hot summers, so they get really bad out here. This car's dash wasn't in that bad of a shape, but the door panels are in horrible shape. So these are some of the upper sections I've already taken off on the other ones. This is going to be a video on how to take those upper sections off. I haven't seen any videos on it, so I'm going to show you how to take those upper sections off so you can either get them replaced or you can get them wrapped, which is what I'm going to do in my situation. Get these all wrapped for a vehicle. So first things first, we're going to turn the door panel around and we're going to grab a small flathead screwdriver. And you're going to want to take this trim piece off here. So if you look in here, you can just see, don't bend it here, but above it, if you bend it there, it's a little thinner and it'll bend easier, and you just pop it out. You just pop it out. Okay, never mind. You don't pop it out. It's a little thinner here, so I usually just press and it pops out. Of course, when I do this door panel, it is not doing that, but you'll see. You'll see. See, like that. So I'm pushing on this upper section. You guys can see this upper section right here. I'm pushing on that to pop that piece out. So do that on the next few. Like that. Next one, like this, and the last one right there. Pop that off. So now you have this piece, it's undamaged. Put it to the side. So once you put that to the side, you're gonna grab Phillips head and you're gonna remove your door handle. This is the passenger side by the way. I've already done the driver side and one of the rear ones. Once I show you once, you should be able to figure it out after that. It's pretty simple. So take out all those screws there, set them to the side, and then take this piece off, slide it to the side, and take your get your flathead. You're gonna have a little clip right here. You're gonna pop this clip off of this post here. This is so much harder when you have a camera mounted to your face. There we go. All right, yes, just pop it off. You don't even need the screwdriver. And then you got three screws here for the tweeter. You're gonna remove those. Move those 3 bolts for the tweeter. Put those to the side, and then you'll have 1, 2, and you'll have a 3rd screw right in here. Hope you guys can see that. You're gonna you're actually gonna pull this piece down a little bit, and then this one as well. You come over here and just gonna give it a pull. Pull that down and pull this back a little bit so you can expose this. And now remove the screws here. So you got 3 there. And now you'll notice that if I turn this around, you'll notice that now this lower section here is loose. It'll like pop away from the door panel. So I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but now it's loose, right? So now all we got to do is pop our door handle through, put it to the side, pop our tweeter off, and the tweeter is going to have like this sticky tape on it. Just take it off and then put that to the side. Now once you have all of that done, I'm using a drill with just a normal drill bit, and you're going to start going around to all of these plastic welds, and you're going to start drilling them out one by one. So you got that. So you got that right there. Got one here. So as you go along, kind of like stop and try to give it a tug. See, it came loose, but it's, if you look behind this, it's not loose from the plastic. So see that plastic right there? So we got to do a bit more drilling on it until it comes loose from that plastic. Okay, there we go. Now that's off. Got one here. Once you got that one drilled off, so you can see it'll start separating. So you can see this is now separated from that, and you just keep moving. Got another one here. I'm gonna flip this around, kind of. Got another one. Oh, that's so satisfying when it gives you like the ring of plastic weld. So if you're unsure, just give it a little tug and it'll release like that. This one has some glue on it, so. So now that those are all released, we should be able to, if I got all of them, which I think I did. Pretty sure that's all of them. Yep. So give it a little tug there. I missed one, I'm pretty sure. Where did I miss it? That's just that one. Just holding on just barely. See, there you go. So once you do all of that, you'll have the upper section off. It's really, really easy actually. I don't know why I've never seen anyone do it on YouTube or on the forums or anything, but it's very simple to do. And yeah, now I can, now you see these silver pieces, the silver trim, you can just pop it off. It just comes off, so it's actually not attached by anything once it's at this point. This one's a little sticky, so I'm gonna leave it on there and mess with it in a second. But one of these ones are loose, so they're just on the back side. You just give it a little tug and it comes right off. Now You might be wondering, after I've done all this, how I'm going to reattach these. All I'm gonna do is, I bought this, it's literally 20 bucks from Harbor Freight. I bought this plastic welding kit. I'm gonna use this little plastic welder and the plastic strips that they give you. Just feed some weld in there and reattach them. It should hold what fine. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna use some short screws like this, like they have here. Some short screws, drill them in into the existing places where the plastic weld used to be. That should work. I'm gonna make a follow-up video to this when I get this all wrapped and I'm putting it back together, so I'll show you the reinstallation process as well. Really easy. This is a few days later. I took the upper sections to an upholstery shop and got them to wrap them in black vinyl. It cost me about 80 bucks a door panel, which is not bad considering they had to fill it first and then sand it and then wrap it in vinyl, which is quite a bit of work. So I'm really happy with the way it came out. So what I did was I used these small screws with kind of large heads on them to refasten the upper section of the door panel to the rest of it, and it came out really nice. I'm really happy with the way it came out. No more sticky, gross door panel. I made sure to clean everything really good before I put it back together. But yeah, I'll even show you what screws I'm using just in case you guys are going to the hardware store and need to figure out what kind of screws. These are the ones I'm using. They're working pretty good for me. They're called Tex Sharp Point Lathe screws. They're really short, and you get a bunch of them for like 10 bucks. So that's working out for me, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and I'm gonna finish up the rest